What's up, everybody? My name is Harris, and right now, many of you are actually at school right now, but I overslept, so for the second time again, I overslept again. Yeah, don't question. But now I'm on my other account, and if you did not know, I have a different account, and I also need to show you how to get these. Oh my God, that is just creepy. It's like a thing. Oh! Oh, that is creepy, bro. So I'm gonna show you how to get that too. Uh, let's go. If you just get your get your big butt to Roblox and then type in delete default. Don't question what electronic I'm using. I'm just using my laptop because my broken ass laptop that is dead gonna probably die. That's gonna die probably because it's probably gonna like it's got some tape and there's like a rip part where like a back of something is like there and here's Della Default and under is chiseled good looks and makeup middle. I could not speak. Middle. Okay, what does this guy want? Okay, my God. No, do you think I want to trade? I swear to God, if this picture gives me something. What does he want for a ducky magician? Because I hate duckies. How about Will? Do you think I want Rocky? No. Okay. Okay, wait. He does not want that. Okay. Just to let you know, this is not like my other account that I had, but it's not there. So let's get it. Don't question why my character is Max. It's just that I just really wanted to make a Stranger Things character, but now I did, and I named half of the pets named after half of the Stranger Things crew. Dustin, Erica, Will, and Jane. That's it. Don't know who Jane is or any of these characters. Erica is the Lucas's sister. She's badass. And Will is the one that went missing and got infected by the mind flare. Dustin, oh he's the one. I don't know. He's like no, I don't know. Jane is actually 11, not just some random girl I found. Not like Angela, that's just random. And you might think, oh, how did you get those pets? And how did I get that exclusive? Well, a good fellow, nice man was very much nicer to give me something good, which I very much appreciated. And I swear to God, my father is literally like out right now. None of my siblings are here, only my dog and me. So, whoever is doing this, please send a prayer for a kidnapper not to break into this house and kill me or kidnap me because I swear to God, I will scream. And and right now exclusive don't exist. You heard me, they don't exist anymore because they shut down after a while. So if you go here, there are supposed to be pets, but there's exclusive capybaras now that I could get for myself. One of them, just one. I swear to God, my motherfucking dad. And if none of you play Roblox, well, I would give you tips because that would take the entire video, and I'll have to title the video "How to Play Roblox and a Little Bit of some Pet Simulator." And I don't know how I'm gonna get out of rank insane. What the what the motherfuck was that? You're very, oh my god, it's just, oh my god, that son of a bitch. And if you don't know why I don't post things about on this account, it's not. I mean, I don't know why I don't, but I made a I made a different account, which is called "Why Do I Exist? I Don't Care." So, we're gonna take that account. So, frick. Might need to expand a little bit of some stuff. Oh shit, I forgot. Oop! Boop, bye, bitch. The nav menu. Oh, oh no. You know what? We don't need the nav menu. We don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need it. Help! 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 No, we don't. No, no, no. Oh gosh. Exit drawing. I don't want to draw. I don't got time. So let's go. Dude, what the fuck? Bitch, what the fuck? How am I gonna play like this? Like, it's gonna be impossible. That's my account if you want to do it. Why do I exist? I don't care. I actually... And if you haven't seen this account, it's being quiet for a few minutes. Oh god. I know, or I was just being quiet and it was taking forever. This is like the oldest game. How long was this game created? What? This was created last year ago? Dude, this must have took ages. Because we on the 22nd of October, or the first day of October. That was updated a few days ago. Okay, let's not notice the fact that it was updated like this is also why I need Robux for this account, because I need to spend it on this account's house. And it's the that was the OG. I don't know what I'm touching. I'm actually touching what? Oh frick. Resume. 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 Oh, what is happening? Someone help! I'm pressing all the buttons I can. Get out of here, bitch. Flip. Bro, maybe if I start a different game. I think I need to start boot up something else. I'm not gonna do that again. I know not. I just freaking the shit out of myself. What is happening? I don't like this. Bruh. If you hear that noise, that's just me being bored. So, yeah. Traveling to Tech World. On this again, I don't have any an exclusive. Wait, so I'm gonna go to teleport and go to shop. So I'm gonna go and trade to see if anyone will give me. Roblox name. I'm trading Roblox name. No! I really wanna trade. I really wanna trade. Well, I'm just probably gonna scare the shit out of that man. I'm rich. I am the owner of Roblox. Liar. Liar. Liar, liar, pants on fire. We all know that man's lying.